Hey guys, it's Dave and Mike's behind the camera at GhettoVanAdventures.com, and we're putting on a new wiper. I got this, this was cheap. You know what? I end up changing my wipers so often because wipers today, and I don't care if they're expensive ones, yeah, they last a little bit longer, but they don't do well. So I end up changing my wipers a lot. So I just buy cheap ones, throw them on, when they get worn out, onto another one. So I got this one. It was cheap. It was like, I think it was like 10 bucks for this wiper, and I'm gonna throw it on, and we'll see how it works out. Now, just pop this open for a sec. Put this open. Yeah, so you can buy winter wipers, summer wipers. You should change your wipers at least like spring and fall. That's what I always say. But you know, if you start having the problems with the visual part of the wiper, like you're losing your ability to see, yeah, put on a new wiper. Like, why kill yourself? It's not worth it. Okay, you just pop that piece up like this. Okay, so just pop that up. So to take this wiper off, now I can show you better on this one. See this button right here? You're supposed to push down and that will release it. But on this one, it's in there a little tight. I can't reach it. So I'm gonna have to be very careful and push this with my knife. And there, pull down. Now, if you use a knife, my God, be careful. You don't want to stab yourself. So that was the old, see how it's kind of stiff and doesn't want to move all that well? Now I had a piece right in here that was terrible, and it looks fine, but when it was passing on the window, it would leave a patch like that, right in my line of sight. So that was terrible. Okay, so my new wiper, literally you just put that in. This hook here has to go under here, okay? So it's gonna take a little fiddling, little angle. There. And then there. There. You keep pushing it and it'll lock. See how it's locked in place? Can't move it. And then snap this down and it's on. And one other thing, when you have this arm up in the air, you notice how I left things kind of in place down here? It's because if this arm comes down, it's gonna break your windshield. Well, it can.
Oh, and the blade's not on it, yeah.
Yeah. That's just metal and it will fly down and smash your windshield. So
you left the plastic there in case it fell down, it would hit the plastic instead of the windshield.
Yeah. So this one here was a little trickier, but you know what? Take your time. On these ones, it's just a hook. They all slide on. Take your time. And if you don't know how to do it, ask a neighbor or friend. Go online, look at it again, because somebody knows how to do it. And it's saving you money. You paid how much? You used to pay like $5, $7 bucks?
Oh, yeah.
So why pay somebody to do it when you can do it yourself?
Well, it looks harder than that. That's why.
Yeah. So there you go, guys. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Check out our site, www.GhettoVanAdventures.com, and be safe on the road. Later. FYI, if you turn on your windshield wiper and it doesn't work, look for this little thing. They put these on some of the wipers and it's just to protect the blade, but the problem is it won't wipe anything off and you'll think that your wiper's horrible. So just check and make sure that this is off also. If it comes with it, you'll want it off. Take care, guys.